All right, stay still, Rylan. We got it perfect. All right.
Yeah.
Look straight ahead, JJ. Go forward a little bit. Right there. Now hurry up, Rylan, so he doesn't have to sit there forever. Don't make it harder than it needs to be, Jalen. Move your body with your neck.
Welcome to day 2. We're going to be doing a science experiment called sticking to the outline. Let's get to it.
Do you know what kind of shadow that we traced to make your faces?
No.
Do you know what it's called?
No. Sticking to the outline.
That's the name of the experiment. The type of shadow that is a silhouette shadow, which it's your side profile and shadow form.
What's a side profile?
Remember when we sat sideways and shined the light and then you drew each other?
Yeah.
That is a silhouette. That's the outline of what you look like.
Okay. This is the outline of what I made.
Yeah, you're using a lot of paint, JJ. I think you need to switch brushes and now smooth out your skin.
Yeah. What you need to do is you need to make it dot to dot like I did. Then you need to smooth it out.
What are you going to do next?
Me?
No, right.
The eyes. Sorry. The eyes. Good paint. Or I will. Whatever one you want.
Looks good, Jalen.
Super pinky. Don't do that. Do that to your
That's
family.
a lot of paint, Rylan.
Mm.
That's a sponge brush, and it soaks up a lot of paint.
You're gonna be so mad at me. Oh, it's so white on it.
Why are you putting white on
It looks so dumb.
it? Don't you dare. Don't be that way.
To make it look
Okay, well, Rylan, you got some big lips in this picture.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make him have bigger. Because I'm not, don't judge.
Did you give him glasses, Rylan?
No. So, we're gonna wrap up this video.
Are we wrapping it up?
Not yet. Wait for a second. We're gonna start wrapping this up in a minute. Give a big shout out to Anaya. Peace.